Do you have a sweet tooth? Does the thought of a warm, flaky pastry make your mouth water? If so, you're in for a treat. Today, we're taking a journey into the world of pastry desserts, exploring 3 incredibly delicious and surprisingly easy recipes you can whip up at home. First up, the classic French dessert, Tarte Tatin. This upside-down pastry features a caramelized apple topping that's both sweet and slightly tart. Start by melting butter and sugar in a pan until it forms a caramel. Then add peeled and quartered apples, cooking them until they're soft. Roll out a sheet of puff pastry, cut it to fit your pan, and place it over the apples. Bake in a preheated oven until the pastry is golden and the apples are bubbling. Turn it out onto a plate and voila, a beautiful tarte tatin. Next, we're diving into the world of Italian pastries with a creamy, dreamy cannoli. Begin by making the shells. Mix flour, sugar, and a dash of cinnamon. Add butter, vinegar, and a splash of Marsala wine, kneading until it forms a dough. Roll the dough thin, cut out circles, and wrap them around cannoli tubes. Deep fry until golden, then let them cool. For the filling, whip together ricotta cheese, powdered sugar, and a hint of vanilla. Pipe the mixture into the cooled shells. Finish with a dusting of powdered sugar and a sprinkle of mini chocolate chips. Our final recipe is a British favorite, the Eckles Cake. Start by simmering currants, brown sugar, and a touch of allspice in a saucepan until the sugar dissolves. Roll out puff pastry and cut into circles. Place a spoonful of the currant mixture in the center of each circle. Then fold the pastry over, sealing it with a little water. Sprinkle with sugar, then bake until golden brown. So, there you have it. 3 mouth-watering pastry desserts from around the globe: the French Tarte Tatin, the Italian Canoli, and the British Eckles Cake. Each one offers a unique blend of textures and flavors, from the caramelized apples of the Tarte Tatin, the creamy filling of the Canoli, to the sweet currant filling of the Eckles Cake. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, these recipes provide a delicious adventure into the world of pastries. So don your apron, preheat the oven, and embark on a baking journey that will satisfy your sweet tooth and impress your friends and family. Bon appétit!